So alright guys, अभी तो इवनिंग हुआ है and so we're here in लखनऊ किसी के फ्लैट में हम लोग and this is one dude right here. क्या नाम है भाई? Vicky. So I got my cousin right here and he been telling that please share करो भाई आपका कहाँ जाने का ड्रीम है like where do you want to go?
मेरा सपना है नेपाल जाने का और मुझे छोटे छोटे गांव में घूमने का शौक रहता है। जैसे छोटे छोटे कहीं भी मतलब जंगलों में नेपालों के मतलब ऐसी जगहों पर जाना भाई जैसे मतलब जहाँ कोई कम से कम लोग आते हैं, जहाँ लोग छोटे छोटे लोग रहते हैं उनके साथ रहना बैठना मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील होता है कि जैसे आप उनके संग सो भाई वहाँ पे खाना खाओ और जंगलों में सो जाओ भाई, रात को कुछ पता नहीं कहाँ पे सो रहे भाई, ऐसी जगह पर जाना
और शेर आ जाए और हमको खा जाए,
बस यही सीन देखना है।
Bro यार बिकी भाई like काफी स्मार्ट बंदा है तो he shared his experience and dream what he think always about going in the rural area. बहुत बढ़िया यार, thank you so much यार, nice to meet you brother. So we have all the guys coming and yo man, hey dude, hi to my vlog, is that okay to record? ठीक है ना भाई? यहाँ आओ ना यार मेरे भाई. So alright guys, let me explain how we met. Okay, हम लोग कहीं किसी के साथ बात कर रहे थे, भाई ने देखे और he's a travel enthusiast जिसने 10+ कंट्रीज कवर किए हुए साइकिल में एंड भाई इनिशियली उन्होंने हिचहाइकिंग करते तो एक उनको एक वाइब्रेशन आ गया ना कि भाई लेट मी टॉक टू दिस ट्रैवल गाइज एंड आई वाज लाइक ब्रो एंड ही ब्लू माय माइंड कि उन्होंने दिखाया सब कुछ है ना, hey man भाई कुछ टाइम दो प्लीज यार, एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करो.
अभी हम आपके साथ हैं पूरी नाइट है
भाई. कभी कभी लाइफ में क्या होता है ना कि आपको पता है कौन सा चीज कैसे करना है बट एक पुश नहीं मिलता है. बट आप हम लोग इतना पुश
आई डोंट स्पीक इंग्लिश मोर.
अरे इधर आओ, यहाँ आओ. बताओ यार, इंग्लिश बोलते हो आप?
हाँ इंग्लिश स्मॉल बट हिंदी में.
हाँ हिंदी में आप बताओ यार प्लीज.
एक्चुअली अगर आपको लाइफ में कुछ करना होता है ना तो ये होता है.
आपके बारे में बताइए ना प्लीज इनको पहले.
मैं एक्चुअली मेरा नाम गुफरान अंसारी है और मैं इंडिया पहले ट्रैवल किया 2022 में स्टार्टिंग किया था और मैंने ऑल ओवर इंडिया ट्रैवल किया था बाय हिचहाइकिंग. फिर उसके बाद मेरे पास कोई बजट नहीं था, मैं आज भी विदाउट मनी हूँ और कल भी विदाउट मनी था और मैंने विदाउट मनी 12 कंट्री प्लस ऑल ओवर इंडिया नेपाल किया. कल भी था,
परसों भी रहेंगे.
पता नहीं भैया, परसों का तो पता नहीं. अभी चलो सोशल मीडिया है तो थोड़ा बहुत अर्निंग हो जाती है, लेकिन पहले ऐसा था कि कुछ भी नहीं था. तो ऐसे भाई लोग मिलते थे जिन्होंने मेरे को हर चीज़, जैसे आप मेरे को मिले, मैं देखा तो यार कि आप किधर से आए हो, ये ऐसे लोग मेरे को मिलते गए और ऐसी मेरी जर्नी चलती गई. मेरे को आज का पता नहीं होता है, मैं अभी दिन में चल रहा हूँ, रात का पता नहीं कहाँ रुकूंगा, क्या होगा मेरे साथ. खाने का जैसे
आपने इंडिया स्टार्ट किया एंड आपने कब सोचा कि भाई इतना ही नहीं मैं ऊपर भी जाऊंगा, लाइक हाँ और भी देश जाऊंगा? क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोग भारत यात्रा तो करते थे बट इंटरनेशनल नहीं जाते, राइट? बट व्हाट मेक्स यू दैट?
मैं पहली बार जब इंडिया से नेपाल गया था साइकिल से तो मेरे पास 1 रुपये नहीं थे, लेकिन जब नेपाल एंटर किया तो वहाँ के लोग मेरे को मिले. एक्चुअली सेम मतलब दिल तो सबका एक ही है ना, देश कोई भी हो उनका फीलिंग सेम ही होता है कि यार ठीक है. मैं नेपाल में देखा कि भाई मैंने नेपाल को 1.5 महीना ट्रैवल किया.
The next day.
Hello everybody, good morning. How are you doing all? Welcome back to another day of my life. Welcome back to the vlog. So we left our host. There were multiple boys and so the expectation of learning something new from his travel experience was filled because all we were high. Still I was asking him, but anyway he didn't share that because nobody shares the success, you know. My question was like, without money how you travel like this many countries, right? 8-10 countries. So he was not responding. He was just telling us, first you visit whole India, and then you meet me, and I'll tell you. What the fuck is that, bro? I mean, that's okay. Great reply, you know. You are such a gentleman. Wow, amazing. So, yeah.
Yeah. Why not share then 100% 1,000 of this is all, man.
So now, guys, and they are sleeping, and we didn't want to disturb, so we didn't ask them like we are leaving. And you know what crazy happened? So these boys are good guy, you know, like they one guy got 800 around K followers. That other guy got 200K followers on Insta, but we didn't check out the YouTube. And there was one YouTube guy, other guy, who got 100K subs. So these all we're doing like this YouTube thing, and I've like digitally, okay, great. Now what I was trying to say, I forget that. Wait a second, I don't know, my brain is not processing, because just we woke up and we are walking. Yeah, what I was trying to say, bro? What I was trying to say?
We're going to zoo.
No. Yes. Now, so actually during the night time, at 1 o'clock, they were like, hey, bro, where's my phone? Where's my GoPro? I lost it. Damn. They were talking about the crores, and they're crying for the maybe 30-40K phone and GoPro, you know. And I was like doubting, bro, come on, man. I was doubting that, like, you know, we are new, you know, we never know like who and what. So he got like two this huh?
Yeah, continue.
They said they got GoPro 12, and we also have the GoPro 12 right here, right?
Yeah.
And I was we were kind of fear that they would blame us for losing or anything. And we checked ourselves bags and everything, if they have put in themselves. No, just trying to be aware. And these guys, listen, like this is just a awareness point, okay? It's not like nothing like us telling them or them telling us something, like pointing, okay? This happens, so this is just a awareness. And we were I feel like a laugh, you know. The guys like were just throwing the words of big money, big amount, then they were crying for this one. And this guy right here, he already deleted like more than so many things. If the memory or data is valuable, how many videos you can store in 112 GB or 256 GB, bro? Come on, man. That's just he was just feeling sad for losing his data, not this GoPro or phone, okay? But then I was like, how many data? Why would you keep that thing there, brother? If you are a creator, you have already uploaded. That doesn't make sense. Anyway, so let's move on. We are heading to the zoo, the very famous zoo here in Lucknow. One and only. Yeah, there are no multiple zoo, okay? So, and I have never visited zoo in my life. Never. Yo, this guy was hey bro, you were in this reserve area, huh?
Yeah.
In Chitwan National Park.
Yeah.
So you saw everything, like you saw this rhinoceros,
Yeah, sure.
elephant.
Yeah.
He ride the elephant,
Yeah.
and you mostly have seen deers,
Yeah. Deers mean?
crocodile, deer.
A lot of deers.
Yeah. Crocodile.
Yeah, a lot of.
You have seen a lot.
Yeah.
Mostly tiger. Have you seen that? Tiger?
Yeah.
Real tiger in front of you.
Yeah.
And you didn't get fucked by tiger.
भैया पेट्रोल करने का वक्त बहुत चीज देखने का मिलता था.
हाँ.
बहुत चीज, मतलब 10-20 मीटर साइड से भी क्रॉस होता था. हम इधर से चल रहा था.
All right. So, but I have never experienced, guys, and I'm really willing from like many days, months now, and it's finally time. Woo! We are going to chill, guys.
Yeah.
keep watching us, and if you are new here, subscribe and
Like,
tap
to
the
comment.
bell icon. His bell icon is ping right there. Tap his bell icon
Yeah.
so that you will get the notification come. The seaman will come and the that's the notification.
Yeah. Tum tum.
Tum, tum. Okay. All right, bro. Let's go. So where's the direction? We're just moving. We forgot the route actually. So I don't know. Anyway, let's check the map. It's already 6 minutes. Yeah, it's quite a long vlog because we make it. We make it. Let's go somewhere. Bro, check the fucking map from your phone. I am recording. What are you doing? I'm recording. I just have one phone. He got 2 phones, but he's still not trying to negate it. Bro, come on. What are you doing, man? In the middle of road. Oh guys, crazy hot. Search Jew. Wow. Dada. And say guys, travel never ends. Woo! Sooner or later, we are also going international, other countries trip for South Asia. So that's the one reason I'm trying to make my English strong. It's not that, but I'm practicing and hopefully that makes me perfect. So this is the one reason. Otherwise, भाई मैं हिंदी में भी बोल सकता हूँ, but you know, I'm just practicing the flow. Yeah.